Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord keep connection issue on Android. If your Discord is showing the same error keep connecting or keep loading issue, I will show you how to fix this. If you have this same issue, you will not be able to send or receive any text from your Discord apps, which can be so annoying. But I will show you how to fix this. To solve this problem, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to check your internet speed. If your internet doesn't work, you can have these issues. To solve your internet, enable the aeroplane mode or disable it, or you can switch your internet to Wi-Fi to mobile data and mobile data to Wi-Fi. After doing this, tap and hold on the Discord application and then simply tap on this app info. Now go for this storage and cache and simply tap on this clear cache and then simply tap on this clear storage and click on this delete. Now go back and click on this mobile data and Wi-Fi and then just simply tap on this unrestricted data usage. Now go back one more time and click on this battery and just simply tap on this unrestricted. After following all these process access accordingly, you will be able to solve your problem from your Discord application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.